I collect plenty of data through online forms and then process it. All form builders I use give me data horizontally. This makes it easy to do group analysis. However, doing individual analysis is a challenge. While working on a very interesting project, I devised a mechanism to convert this horizontal data into a sort of normalized vertical data. If you're looking for something like this, then this method can be very useful. So here is a sample data. I typically receive responses like this. For each person, the answers are arranged horizontally. Person A's answers are A1, A2 till A5, and similarly for person B, the answers are B1, B2 to B5. And I want to convert the data into a vertical format as shown here. So the formula that I have written is this. Usually in such a video, I will write the formula and explain. But for this video, I will follow a different approach. I have displayed the results of the interim steps here. And we will understand the logic by understanding each line here. We will use the let function here as we will perform calculations in parts. Our end goal is to get 3 columns displayed here. Once we get these, we will combine them using an hstack function like we've done here. Now we start by defining 3 variables. The first one is for capturing the list of respondents. I usually give a much larger range compared to the data I expect. Here I have set A2 to A10 are the list of respondents, though we only have 2 responses. If I am expecting 15 to 20 respondents, I will take a buffer and say something like A2 to A100. Then the next one is for questions, which is fixed B1 to F1. And the final one is for the answers, B2 to F10. This F10 is the same as range for respondents. Now the next variable is row count, which is the actual number of respondents. As you can see here, I get the answer as 2, which is correct as we have 2 respondents, person A and person B. And then I get the question count. You can even directly assign the value 5 here if you find that easier. The next line is to identify total number of vertical lines of data we want. Since we have 2 people and 5 questions, we will need 10 lines of answer. We can use the sequence function and multiply the row count with question count. Now the next function is to identify which row belongs to which respondent. The first 5 belong to the first respondent and the next 5 belong to the second respondent. And finally, for each respondent, we need to allocate a row for each question. Now let's jump into each row of the hstack function. The first row repeats the respondent name based on row index. Similarly, the second row returns the question based on the question index, first, second, third, and so on. And finally, the last one is a simple index function with an array, row, and column. So it will return the first row, first column, then first row, second column, till first row, fifth column. And then go to second row, first column, second row, second column, till second row, fifth column. And just like that, your entire table moves from a horizontal orientation to a vertical orientation. And as you enter more data up till row 10, your formula will automatically include them in the result. Let me create some space to show you. There you go. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.